The Mirabella is one of Monte Vista Homes' most sought-after home designs. Located in Northcrest, this home has a large covered front porch, which makes a great place to sit and read a book as the sun dips below the Cascades. The Black River Craftsman stone columns accent the front porch and add to your home's curb appeal and value. This 1,801 square foot home was designed with grand two-story entry and a master bedroom on the main floor, which is one of its most attractive features. The master suite, with its large walk-in closet, washroom with a soak tub, separate shower, and double vanities, you'll be happy to call this your home sweet home. On the main level, the large and open great room makes for an ideal place to create memories while entertaining guests. The informal dining area offers a carefree environment for fun nights and conversation with the grandchildren. The Mirabella showcases a sizable kitchen, too. The large walk-in pantry. This room is sure to make the chef of the house smile. Inside the pantry, a window lets in natural light, and the storage area is perfect for dry goods or knickknacks. If that's not enough, the kitchen also includes a cooktop island, designer tile counters, custom cabinets, and engineered hardwood floors. The Mirabella in Northcrest might be your next home sweet home.